Hi guys, today we'll be have a mini game with this. And today will be a very fun day. Go! Oh no, 1 minute. The essence for this today's game is that whoever comes across what number and must in mind or cities, countries for this number. Let's go.
Day.
Good day.
Name cities and the countries with the letter M.
Moskva, Malaysian.
Good day.
Good day.
Name the smallest countries in the world.
Vatican and Monaco.
Thank you.
Hi, hello. Name of the cities and countries of Korea. Busan, Jeju, Seoul. Okay, thank you.
No offense to you,